Welcome to this meditation time, and giving yourself this time to come into your inside self and to just take a breather from your day, from your night, from your work, from your friends, from your family, maybe animals or responsibilities, and just have some time for you. You are love. You are love. You are love. The very heart of you, the very core of you. You have come from Source, and you will return to Source. And therefore, coming from Source, and Source is pure love. So just be in that state of remembering. Remembering this, especially if you're having challenges or difficulties with certain things, situations, or people, or perhaps a specific person in your life. It's time to just pull in, let go of the outside world, and remember that everyone and everything is you pushed out. So, whatever is bothering you right here, right now, make a decision to hand it over to Source, to let go and surrender. Make a decision that as you let go and surrender, that this problem is already solved for you. You are love. You are love. And coming back to yourself again and again when things are challenging, when you can't work out what to do, it's coming back to yourself, surrendering and letting go, and getting back into that space, that quiet, beautiful, calm space of remembering that you are love. As we remember this, all drops away, all difficulty, all challenges, all discords, all the drama, any arguments, anything that has been just not working at all. It just starts to resolve itself. as we get back into that wonderful space of you are love. So take that forth with you and remember it in the coming days and hours. You are love. You are love. You are love. So just fertilize yourself with that thought. Marinate yourself in that thought and get yourself into that state, that beautiful state of love. And for today, that is enough. It is just remembering this when we forget, when we lose the focus, when we get caught in the external world, and when we lose our center and lose our connection with Source. It's always coming back home. Home is where the heart is. Home is where Source is. Lots of love.